Okay, let's keep up our good work with the file menu. In file menu, you have next group, and that is new. So using new, you can create a new document, maybe using blank one or from template, or maybe something else, spreadsheet, presentation, form, or drawing. You can create any of these from here, and it's very easy. So you just click, and then it brings you that page. We have open, so we can open an existing uh, Google Docs by maybe from our drive, or shared with me, or maybe you started, or you had some recent document open, or you want to upload something. So these things can help you to open your current document fastly. Finally, we have a make a copy. Now, this is very super important because most of my work really is done with make a copy. Whenever I'm making a course, okay, I use some outline, so I go with make a copy, and then the template is duplicated, and I can write down on that the duplicated template and document. So for you, this might really be helpful because this is gonna copy the same as this document with another name. So we're gonna click on that, and it says, what do you want to call it? We're gonna say copy of document type 2. No, we're gonna say Google Docs 2. We're gonna call it 2. Now it says the folder. Do you want this folder or maybe some other folders? So based on your and related to your files, so you can select where you want it. For now, let's go with the My Drive. Share it with the same people? Well, no. Copy comments and suggestion? Well, no. Include resolved comments and suggestions. If someone resolved the comments and suggested some things, so this will be checked mark and will be available for us. But for now, it's not available because we don't have any comments. So we're gonna click OK and have a duplicate document and templates just in a few seconds. So there you go. Our document is ready. And right now we can see this is completed as the same as that. There's no big difference. Okay, only difference is 1 and 2. The one another is this one is a start, but this one isn't a start. So that is really the part number 2 of file menu. We talked about new, creating a new document like blank document, or from template, opening a document. Now its shortcut is Control O or Command O, and make a copy. So that was group number 2. See you in another lecture.